Seeking English, S.A.T. Workbook, page 463, problem 2. It says you may use a calculator, although you should not need a calculator for this at all. I can't really put this on the board. My drafting skills are not sufficient to this. So if you don't have the book handy, you're not going to get much out of this video. So just go on to the next video if you don't have the book. It says that the functions of f and g are shown on the xy plane above, for which of the following values of x is f of x plus g of x equals -1. And what you have is two parabolas intersecting at the x value of the vertex. The vertices don't touch, but they have the same x value, which is interesting. One parabola points up, one parabola points down. Now, a trick to this is they didn't give you a pair of x values. They asked for only one x value. That's kind of a hint that you're probably checking the vertex first, and that is what you should check first. If you check the vertex, you see at x equals 2, g of x equals 2, and f of x equals -3. If you add those together, you get -1. You said, but teacher, couldn't there be some other? Yeah, in some other problem, potentially there could be some other solution, but then there should be 2 x values. If you go off the vertex for x value, you should then have a pair of x values. They might ask you which of these is or isn't or something like that. But if you look at the distance here, the answers here are 1 and 3 are separate answers. So if they just left out, if 1 were the correct answer, 3 would also be the correct answer, because the distance between the two curves at that point is the same, and the 0 is just weird. You can see, hopefully, you can eyeball that and see that the difference is incorrect. If you had if you had 4 on there as an option, that would be parallel in distance to answer A, which is 0. Again, your answers are 0, 1, 2, 3. Without the book, you have no idea what I'm talking about. So if you have the book, make sure that you have it open when you review this video. Okay. I don't want to belabor this point too much, but these parabolas are carefully constructed to make absolutely sure that measurement of difference of -1 when you add together f of x and g of x occurs only at that point. It's a very, very well constructed problem if you look at it carefully. So review it and figure out what could have gone wrong, which they avoided, and tell me in the comments section. I'd be fascinated to see what you spot. I spot a few things.